guys, so on today's agenda, I've took out the back, as you can see, sanded it, filled all the holes. I'm going to try and take the seats out just to see what the carpet's like underneath it, because it is kind of loose and stuff, and just see if I can make it better. I want to try and leave the front carpet in if possible, because I just can't be bothered, really. It's too cold. And also I'm going to take the parcel shelf out as well. Parcel shelf's going to get extended all the way out, and also I'm going to take this off as well. Let's get cracking, but it's a cold one. One of the main goals I wanted to stick to when building the camper was to film everything, the good, the bad and the ugly. Now there is tons of videos on YouTube showing van builds etc, but in honesty I found it quite hard to find videos of Doblos being converted. And the ones that I did find time-lapsed everything, but not really showing how certain elements were done, i.e. how to remove the seats, handbrake console, certain wiring, or taking the ceiling down and stuff. I'm sure there's fantastic guys out there, but I just couldn't find them. I tried to film everything as best I could, and again, most of this stuff I've never done and had to figure out as I was doing it. So if any of the videos I put up managed to help you solve a puzzle with your build, why not drop a wee like and subscribe to follow the rest of the build. So let's see. Oh, 5 minutes. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this back down, and I'm going to take all of the middle bit away, and then just recarpet that. Put the insulation foil down, carpet it, and do it that way. Let's go. Sensor on this. I know shit about cars, right? And taking this stuff apart was actually scary for me. But I'm actually enjoying it. I actually enjoy taking it all apart.   Right. Jobs are good.   Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, So that's everything ripped out, at least up until this point anyway. I'm not going to take that carpet out because that's actually not bad nick. The only reason why I took this away was because it was so loose, but I'll just stick that in. These are for the, or were for the tensioners in the back, for the seat belts that sat there. Now what I'm wondering is whether to keep them because they're already connected to the battery. I'll just take them out and just start fresh. No idea what that is. The same cable. Actually, that might be speaker. No idea, I'll just hide it. This is where the wires from inside were feeding to, so all I did was just disconnected the fuse and disconnected it from the battery. So just before I disconnected, I just wanted to make sure I had the right wires, because I wouldn't have been able to figure out how to get back in. So this is the cables now ripped out. So, as clean as it's going to be, do you know what, I'm happy with that, just to press on. So what I'm going to do now is take the parcel shelf off and give it a wee clean. So just to make sure that the parcel shelf didn't come crashing down, I used the camera tripod as a support strut. After inspecting the ceiling, I just decided to leave it up. So unless you absolutely have to, don't take the parcel shelf down. It took me about 2.5 hours to get this thing back on, and I just couldn't be bothered time-lapsing it the video, but that parcel shelf will never be coming down again. However, I will add, if you have someone helping you, then by all means. As a solo venture, nah, just leave it. So all gutted, cleaned and ready for the next step. Insulation, baby!